Ever stared at those mesmerizing TradingView charts, the lines dancing, the indicators flashing, and wondered, could this be all I need to conquer the markets? You're not alone. Many aspiring traders, and even some seasoned ones, find themselves drawn to TradingView's powerful analytical tools and sleek interface, leading to the big question: can you actually trade directly on TradingView without the need for a separate brokerage account? Let's dive into this. TradingView has become a go-to platform for millions worldwide, offering real-time data, advanced charting capabilities, social networking features for traders, and a wealth of analysis tools. You can meticulously plot your strategies, backtest ideas, and even share your insights with a vibrant community. It feels like a complete trading ecosystem within itself. However, and this is a crucial point, TradingView primarily functions as a sophisticated analysis and visualization platform. Think of it as your state-of-the-art cockpit, filled with all the instruments you need to understand the flight path. But it doesn't actually control the plane. That's where your broker comes in. A broker acts as the intermediary between you and the market. They are the ones who execute your buy and sell orders, hold your funds, and provide the regulatory framework for your trading activities. TradingView, on its own, does not have the licensing or infrastructure to perform these essential functions. Now, here's where things get interesting. Recognizing the desire for a more integrated experience, TradingView has partnered with various brokers. This integration allows you to connect your existing brokerage account to your TradingView platform. Once linked, you can indeed execute trades directly from the TradingView interface. You get the best of both worlds, TradingView's powerful analysis tools combined with your broker's execution capabilities. This means you can analyze a potential trade on TradingView, set your entry and exit points using their charting tools, and then, with a few clicks, send those orders directly to your connected broker for execution, all without having to switch between different platforms. This streamlined workflow can significantly enhance your trading efficiency. However, it's vital to understand that you still need a brokerage account. The integration simply provides a convenient bridge between your analysis platform and your execution venue. You'll still be subject to your broker's fees, commissions, and the regulations they operate under. So, to definitively answer the initial question, no, you cannot trade directly on TradingView without a broker. TradingView is a powerful tool for analysis and, through integrations, can serve as a front end for your trading activities. But the actual execution of trades and the handling of your capital require a regulated brokerage firm. Therefore, if you're looking to actively trade, your journey will involve two key components: a robust analysis platform like TradingView and a reliable brokerage account that suits your trading needs and is ideally compatible with TradingView's integration features. Understanding this distinction is fundamental for any aspiring trader navigating the complexities of the financial markets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.